Alright, good deal. Hope everything's going okay. I'm not. I am not. I am not a robot. No. Where are we? We are in our sources directory. It's on the 6.61 Vim 7.3. Okay, so let's first tar out XVF Vim 7.3. Maybe I shouldn't say this out of anger, but I probably will anyway. I am not happy with support on Freenode. Is there any laws against this? I don't know. Maybe I should not say what I was going to say. But, I don't know. Hey, people are like that. People are not cool to talk to about things that they know about. The human factor, I guess, gets involved in retarded. So, maybe I should rethink it, but you'll probably hear me rant. Coming up one day soon. You probably have no idea what I'm talking about, but that's okay. It's not important. The only thing that is important is this install. That's what we need to do. And my buddy is snoring on the couch. And let's say enable multi-byte. Enable multi-byte. Good. Okay. It takes a little bit. And we'll say we're not going to do any make tests, of course. Make install. And our unrecognized option, enable multi-byte. Okay, unrecognized options. Check that out. I didn't like the way that looked. So let's say prefix equals user, enable multi-byte, configure prefix equals user. That should be okay. I don't know why I got that. It's not really important, I don't think. But let's remove him again. Okay? Sorry to do this to you guys again. I don't like the way that came out. Vim. I should have put that in the silent. But I didn't. Say Vim, cd into Vim 73. Okay. And let's say first change default location of Vim RC configuration file to etc. So we'll say echo define sys underscore vim rc underscore file space double quotes etc vim rc, okay, into source /feature.h and enable multi-byte. You need to say configure prefix equals user, enable multi-byte. Okay. See if I get that again. If I get that again, I'm just going to skip it, because I don't remember seeing that before. But, it could just be me. Okay. It's not a biggie. Warning unrecognized, multi-byte is unrecognized. Could be my syntax. Configure prefix equals user, enable multi-byte. You guys are probably like, oh my god, it's there, just go. So I'll take your advice on that. I don't remember seeing that before, but then again, I don't remember really paying attention to that part either. Configures usually stop before that, and that's as best as I know. I don't know what that really was about there. But the multi-byte switch here says switch enables support for editing files in multi-byte and character encodings. This is needed if used in a locale with a multi-byte character set. This switch is also helpful to be able to edit text files initially created in Linux distributions like Fedora that uses UTF-8 as default character set. Okay. So that switch doesn't seem like it's, may not seem like it's working. That's okay. We're not doing anything at UTF-8. That's going to stop us from actually running the machine, so I'm going to kind of ignore that. If I get problems with that later on in life, I'll figure out how to do it then. But right now it should not really matter. Just to get this down so we can go. Okay, no critical errors. Okay, no errors at all that I see. So let's say link symbolic verbose. We're going to link vim to user bin phi. Okay, and we'll say for L in user share man. We'll say comma all / man 1 / vim dot 1. I'll say do for L in user share man / capsule. Okay, man 1 vim do. We have to do link symbolic verbose vim dot 1 $, let's say dir name, stay inside here, and we'll say L, and we'll say vi dot 1, that's a 1 by the way. Okay, let's say link symbolic verbose vim1 dot or $ dir name $1 vi1. Done. Okay, it's over. Then we have to link, let's see, symbolic verbose vim 73. See, another thing is here too, I'm not getting any tab completion. So that would mean that I'm not going to get any docs. Okay, so how about if I take that out now? Where am I at? I'm in the sources directory. Clear list. Vim.info. Vim73. Oh, okay. I think. No, actually, I don't really see. Link symbolic verbose backup. We'll say vim. Okay, that's working. So we're okay now. Make sure, like I said, use your tab convention quite often. See, I'm not getting anything out of that. Doc. And let's say to user share doc vim 7.3. But we have to add a dash. Okay. Now we have to configure vim here. Okay, so let's spark it up. Let's use it. Vim etc vim rc. Okay, good deal. Now we got an editor going that does that. God, I experienced that before in some other programs or other OSs. Let me quit. Let's say quit stop or quit. How about vi? Well, okay, so this is stupid. I'm going to try to make an I'm trying to make a vimrc file okay, with Vim itself while it's running. That sounds kind of retarded now, come to think about that. Wondering why it's not acting right. Well, I haven't made the haven't made the vimrc file yet to make it act right. So, compatible. That's a blooper. Back space equals 2. 200DL is good. Syntax on. Okay. If we want to say if and term is equal to I term, then, or not then, but that, and we'll say and term is equal to, exactly equal to putty. Okay, looks good. And then we say set background equals dark. And if we'll say end Etsy vimrc EOF. Okay. So documentation can be available. Options. Documentation for available options can be obtained by running the following command: vimc. Alright. So that's all for Vim. It should actually work pretty good now. Vim should anyway, because we actually made the vimrc file for it before we tried to edit it. So remove Vim. Vim's all done. Good to go. We got a text editor now, so we can cat and everything if we want to, but we don't have to. It makes it good for some other things that we're going to do very soon. Okay, so let's say the next thing we have to do here, that's all done. 6.63 says for us to log out. Okay, clear this up, and we should chroot back into it. But I'm going to do that in the next tutorial. I'll keep this one nice and short. We're so close to the end, I don't want to lose it to something. So, you guys have a great day.